Hello everyone! I wanted to come on here and give you a quick update. You may have noticed the name of my channel changing from Garner Sewing Room to ShortySewsNC. Garner Sewing Room was a teaching studio I ran in Garner, North Carolina for the last 8 years. It was a very special place where I taught beginner classes to kids and adults. Super fun, great environment. I closed my doors last December because of life changes. And right now we're going into a new chapter. So even though the name is changing, nothing else really is. The content will stay the same. I will be intentional about having more content more frequently. I know I've been a little bit sporadic here and there last year, but hoping that from this moment on we can make strides to make that better. I am not a professional YouTuber at all, but that's okay. I want to share my journey with you. I want to share my ups and downs when it comes to learning to sew, teaching sewing, giving you guys opportunities to be behind the scenes and see what I'm doing and creating. I would love for you guys to hang out with me, join my sewing chats, and leave in the comments anything you may want me to cover, review, anything like that. Just let me know. Would love to get your feedback and any requests that you guys may have also for upcoming videos. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys soon. Happy sewing. Bye. Come here. Oh, you just want treats. Is that it? Is this what you want? Come. She's sitting pretty. Aren't you sitting pretty? Oh, that's a good girl. That's a good girl sitting pretty. That's a good girl sitting pretty. She's gotten so big, guys.